I will show you how to import CSV file to ODKX table. So the first step to do is to place your file, the file you want to upload to the table, to the config/CSV directory. So I'm going to launch the file manager and locate my file. Here I have it on my Bluetooth folder. This is the file visit.example.csv. So I'm going to copy it and place it on this part. Open data key, default, config, accent, CSV, paste. It should be noted that table expects a certain format of the data in order to import the data correctly. The first line must be the comma-separated list of column names, while the remaining must be the data for each of the corresponding columns. In addition to this, the CSV file must also specify the unique row ID for each data row. I'm going to open this file with an editor to confirm that the format of the data matches the format of the table we are importing this data into. As can be seen, the data has the unique row ID for each data row specified, as well as the first line having the comma-separated list of columns and the other lines having the data for each of the corresponding column. So from what we can see, the format of this data matches the format of the table we are importing into. So now I will launch the ODK table application. I will click on this import icon plus select the file to import. So this is file I just copied. So I'm going to select and pick a file and append it to an existing table. So file import was successful.